Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to export data into a PDF format from database in Asp.NET Core MVC. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio and here we create a new project and choose a template as a Asp.NET Core MVC. It's Asp.NET Core, and here we write a name is export PDF core, then click on OK. Now after that we choose a template as a model view controller. It's a web applications model view controller, then click on OK button. Now it's creating a project and adding all the files for Asp.NET Core MVC web template. Now project is created. So we export a data into PDF format from a database. So I am using a test database for this. So first of all we need to connect our application with a database. So I am using this test.db where I am exporting all the countries data into the PDF format. So I will display this table name. Here I am writing a query, select straw from TVA, countries, then we run this query. Now it's executing this select command and it's find all the country list to this query window. It's getting all the country list with their country code. So I am using this table data for exporting the record. So for in this example I am using edu.net for database operations. You can use any other technologies that you like entity frameworks, LinkU, etc. that you like. So for edu.net I am adding one more class for database operations. It's like a db.cs. So I am adding a db.cs into this model class. So I am adding a new class here. It's db.cs. Choosing a class, then I will write a class name. It's like a db. Then click on add button. Now this adding a class for db.cs. So in next step we finding a connection string for our test.db database. So I am going to this server explorer and right click and find their connection string. Here I am adding some more namespaces using system dot configuration SQL connection using system dot data using system dot data dot SQL client. SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection. So I'm directly paste this connection string here. You can find my previous videos for how to add a connection string into this ASP.setting.json and how to get that key into this db.cs. I will provide a link in description of this video. Here I'm writing a method for this. It's a DataTable. The return type is as a DataTable. Mean we return all the country list into the DataTable. So get record is SQL command is equal to new SQL command. I'm writing a direct query here. It's a select star from TBL countries. Then pass a connection string object, and then it's a SQL data adapter. New SQL data adapter, and pass a command object, and then we take a data table. dt is equal to new data table da.fill. It's a dt, and then return that data table. Now in next step we need to add a Aspos NuGet package for exporting a data into the PDF format. So I'm adding a NuGet package here. It's manage NuGet packages, and here we search Aspos, click on browse, then Aspos, and here we choose this is Aspose.PDF, and the current stable format is version is the 20.10.0. then click on install. Now it's under processing to install these NuGet packages into this application. It will take a little bit time. Showing this review changes, then click on OK. This is the license agreement. I accept. Now this installing our NuGet package for Aspos.PDF. Now package installed, successfully installed. So we go to our home controller.cs, and here for our demonstration I'm exporting data on this index method. So first of all we need to add some more namespaces for Aspos. It's using Aspose.PDF and using Aspose.pdf.text, and it's using system.data, and it's using system.io. Now we go to our controller. It's a where document. We creating a document object here is equal to new document, Then here we creating a page info, finding up their properties for a page info. Is page info is equal to new page info, and then it's a margin, it's equal to new margin, info. Then here we provide a left, bottom, right and top margins. It's like a 28 and 28 for right and 40 for top. After this, it's where PDF page is equal to document dot pages dot add. We add pages into this document, and we show the data as a tabular format. So I'm taking a table, it's a table, it's equal to new table, then we set a column width. It's a column width is equal to we display the 4 columns, means country ID, country name, and 2 for column for country code. So we provide a size here, it's like a 25% for each, 25 and 25 for 4 columns. And then we set a padding for default, default cell padding is equal to new margin info, is for left, right and top, bottom. It's 10, 5, 10 and top for 5. And then we set a border, it's a border equal to new border info. Then we set a border side dot all, means we set a border for all table, all over the table, and then we set a colors, it's a 5F, it's a border width for a 5.5, this for color, so we take a color dot black, and then set a default cell border, it's a default cell border is equal to new border info, it's a border side dot all, and then their width is 0.2 f, and then is a color dot black. And then it's a semicolon here, then it's a DataTable dt equal to then we create a object for our model class, it's a db db, then take a dbop object name and it's a db, and here it's a dbop dot get record, means we getting a record for all the country or all country list. Then it's a table dot import data table dt, then we export this data into the memory stream where stream out we also need to add pages, also need to add a paragraph into that table, and here we also provide their bool column name imported. So we import the column name, is heading, it's a true, and first field row means number of index of a column which you want to start the data or fill the record from database, and then it's a document dot page 1, here we provide index dot paragraph, it's a pages dot paragraph dot add, and then we add that table object, and it's equal to as memory stream and then document dot save that document into this stream, and then return that stream as a download file, return new file content result, stream out dot to array, we convert into the array, then we provide here their format like is application slash PDF, here is a file download name, means which name you want to for a downloaded file name, it's like a country name dot PDF, and we return this return view because we already return as a file content result. So now we finished. Now we run this application. So I am pressing a Ctrl F5. On page load means a home index, we adding a code, so it's directly export the values. It's a country name.pdf, so we click on this. Now it's exporting all the country list into the PDF format. It's a country ID, name, and their respected country code. So this is all for how to export data into the PDF format in ASP.NET Core MVC. So if you have any questions, any problem, please write in a comment box. I will reply you soon. So if you like my videos, please click on subscribe button and notification bell. So thanks. We will meet in next video session.